Here at Koreshan, because we're a cultural site, we have to keep that value. So a lot of the introduced plants that the Koreshans brought in, we did our best to preserve those. Outside of this National Registered Historic Site, we are restoring this land to pre-Spanish times. So we do have seed spread. If you start walking around, you'll find orange trees, Suriname cherries, mangoes outside of the Koreshan settlement. And in regards to the hurricane cleanup and stuff, we left everything in the settlement as intact as we could. And then outside of that historic site, we are removing all exotic non-native species. Even though the Koreshans may have brought a tangerine tree in, well, that's only allowed in a certain area. So outside of that, we try to keep it the real Florida, and by removing all non-natives and exotic species.